Well, hey there, and welcome back to the Positively Joyful Productivity Show. I'm your host, Nicole Louise, and I'm here to teach you how to use ChatGPT properly to save you tons of time and energy and bring more joy into your life. All right, let's jump into it. In this episode, I am going to talk to you about the first step in my 3-step framework to properly create your AI business partner. Just set your chat GPT up and use it effectively and efficiently. So let's jump into it. Step 1 is organize. So many people use chat GPT like it's Google. They use it like a search engine. Type in a question, get an answer. Type in a question, get an answer. Start a new thread, type a question, get an answer. But ChatGPT is so much more than that. It is a true workspace. And if you're not set up properly, if you're not organized properly, your ChatGPT account quickly becomes a giant disaster. And so, how do you fix that? The easiest way to fix that is by using projects. So, projects is a super easy tool in ChatGPT. You just click on it, give it a name, decide whether you want memory on or off, and then you're off and running. In that project, you can start as many chat threads as you want, but everything is in one place. Think of projects as if they're like a filing cabinet, storing all your files for a specific project or something else like meal planning or content creation. So anything that you need to keep organized in one space, you're going to want to set up a project. Here is how you're going to set up a project. It's super simple. So you just go to your ChatGPT account, and over here in your menu bar, you're just going to scroll down to projects, click create new project, give it a name. We're just going to call it test. And in this little settings icon here, you want to click on that. And this is where you want to decide, do you want memory on or memory off? So default is this project can access data and information from outside of the project. So click that if you want it to have access to everything else. Or project only means everything that you type into this project is going to stay here. So this information will not get shared with the rest of your ChatGPT account. Now, it's important to note you have to do this as soon as you set the project up. You cannot change it once the project is created. So keep that in mind. And then just click create project and you're done. So now we're in here. Now you can start typing away, asking all kinds of questions. And now everything is nice and organized in one space. Thanks for joining me on the Positively Joyful Productivity Show. I hope that you got value out of this. Go organize your chat GPT, go create those projects, and let me know how it goes. If you're listening on Spotify, leave a comment. If you're watching on YouTube, share, leave a comment. Let's connect. Let me know how it's going. All right. Have a beautiful week ahead. Go do something that brings you joy. Much love. Talk to you next week.